Hello, my name is Ken Harrison. I'm the President and CEO here at G&B Corporation. Today I want to introduce to you some important people. Often you meet our salespeople in the field, and these are the outside salespeople. But equally important, we have inside salespeople. They're the people that work within G&B every day, and they communicate with our customers, but they're not well known by face to our customers. So I would like to introduce them so that you can see who they are and meet them in person. So one by one, I will ask them to come up, introduce themselves, and say a little bit about who they are.
Hi, I'm Kirk Carter, your technical sales representative at G&B Corporation. I've been involved in manufacturing for 40 years, 23 of those with G&B Corporation. I believe I bring a unique set of skills to the sales department. My early years with G&B was as operations manager. I managed all aspects of manufacturing floor and procurement. Over the years, I've worked on many complex projects. I focus mainly on complex vacuum chambers, pressure vessels, or custom products. As I review your project, I typically make suggestions to reduce cost, add value in some way, and reach that lead time that you need. My experience in operations management gives me the ability to envision your project from raw material all the way to finished goods.
My name is Kim Folken. I am Director of Inside Sales here at G&B Corporation. The aspects of inside sales that I manage are streamline order processing, customer feedback. I also take incoming calls. I communicate with customers on their upcoming projects. I coordinate with customers on their project needs, various different types of products, chambers, baffles, valves, standard components, quite a lengthy list. So my background is mechanical engineering. I have a technical background that helps to communicate with customers on their project requirements. So I have a better understanding of what their needs are and how we can build products to work with their requirements. I have 8 years of experience in the vacuum industry, and a little over half of that time is here with G&B Corporation. For any vacuum needs, a vacuum chamber, vacuum valve, standard components, give us a call or shoot us an inquiry through our website, and we'll get back in touch with you and see how we can help suit your needs.
My name is Saman. I'm the Director of Product Management at G&B for all the vacuum components. I make sure that we have the right mix of products in our inventory for just-in-time delivery to our customers. And I work with our customers to get their forecasts as well, and make sure that we have the best customer service possible. So I've been in the vacuum industry for about maybe 20 years. Started in designing vacuum valves, gate valves, and angle valves, and rectangle valves. And now I'm in product management, and I work with customers for any small custom requirements that they may need, and work with our factory to make sure that we have just-in-time inventory for our customers and our company. I was so impressed at King Lai when I got to visit their facility. Just the massive amount of CNC machines, amazing quality control at every station, efficiency that I have never seen before, which does not surprise me why they're able to adapt to customer needs quickly and efficiently, at the same time offering the best prices. I am certain that if you need anything quickly that has to do with standard vacuum components, please give us a call. We're ready to help, and we can act very quickly for you.
My name is Olivos, and my position is Innovation and Custom Mechanical Engineer. Some of the things I do here at G&B is I analyze the customer's drawing and I create an estimate and proposal. I have a degree in mechanical engineering, and my previous experience is in quality, which translates perfectly into my position because I have so much attention to detail.
Hello, my name is Dustin Higginbotham. I am an inside sales representative here at G&B Corporation. My job here at G&B Corporation is to help provide the customers a wow experience throughout the transaction, whether it be helping them find various standard vacuum components or it be spare parts to service their valves in their existing system. Maybe there's a small leak in the gate, help them find an O-ring, stuff like that. My favorite part about my job here at G&B Corporation is the day-to-day interactions with the customers. We have great customers, prestigious customers throughout all around the world that help in the medical industry, scientific industry, industrial industry.
For all of your needs, I'm here to help. Please give us a call at G&B Corp.